Okay, so this is my Hanson General Products sprayer tow behind for the garden tractor, the old 611 here. I bought this sprayer for 10 bucks. This was another junkyard find. And it had this lovely busted up carburetor. I have not been able to find any information on this company other than the fact that they are from Beloit, Illinois, and the fact that they are most well known for building snowblowers for skid steers. It's got a 3 horsepower Briggs on it and a power washer pump. This is the wrong carburetor. It